In front of me is iPad Air 1st generation, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So at first, let's open the camera app, then make sure that you're in photo mode, and this one is the timer icon, so just mark it and pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. You've got these two possibilities. Let me just, for example, 10 seconds, grab a picture of whatever you want, so just put your camera in this side and then mark it, mark actually the camera shutter, and as you can see, at first you will notice the countdown, and after that you will grab a picture. So now it has been grabbed. Whenever you would like to turn it off, just click on timer icon and select off. Now the picture can be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.